Elon's vision. Oh. The first question, why the future? Humanity advances by asking the next question. A mind that refuses the premise of impossible opens doors. Failure remains as data fuel for the next leap. Today's common sense becomes tomorrow's constraint. Reduce to first principles and past reappear. Speed is another name for courage. Risk can be calculated. Calculated risk gives birth to progress. The future is not awaited, it is made. The question returns to the beginning. The saga of a multi-planet species. Oh, Earth is a departure point, not a destination. Mars is insurance and a laboratory of hope. Self-sufficiency is the baseline of survival. Atmospheres can be engineered. Water is found, gathered and cycled. Cities begin beneath domes. Children learn unfamiliar skies. Law and culture are redesigned. Humanity grows stronger by distribution. Rock between the stars open. The philosophy of reusable rockets. Oh, reduce waste and cost collapses. Landing is a promise of return. Precision is born of repetition. Engines earn trust through simplicity. Thrust speaks the language of physics. Combustion is a controlled explosion. Recovery signals system maturity. Launch becomes routine. Space draws nearer. Transport turns into industry. The constellation of Starlink. The constellation of Starlink. Pass a late in the sky to find the earth. Signals reach the remotest places. Latency falls, opportunity rises. Education crosses borders, medicine gains immediacy. Disasters are reported sooner. Economies grow denser, information flows like light. Connection is not power, connection is infrastructure. The overture of electrified mobility. Change the fuel's direction and cities breed batteries of time stored. Motors of victory through simplicity. Charging becomes habit, maintenance fades, noise disappears. Acceleration is instant. Software multiplies performance. Vehicles become platforms. The road experience transforms. The neural net of autonomous driving. Vision is interpreted as pixels. Learning completes itself on the road. Maps are no longer fixed. Judgment is probabilistic. Safety is proven by statistics. Errors shrink through updates. Driving becomes a service. Time returns to passengers. Cities gain efficiency. Mobility grows fair. The aesthetics of minimalism. Remove what is unnecessary. Fewer buttons, greater focus. Space follows purpose. Material must be honest. Form arises from function. Simplicity lowers cost. Maintenance becomes easy. Users learn. Learning curves flatten. Beauty is restraint. The axis of energy transitional. The sun is the greatest power plant. Storage lights the night. Distribution increases resilience. Grids grow intelligent. Homes become the dream of Hyperloop. Reduce friction, and speed rises, tubes hold vacuum capsules, races and flying, and safety is proven step by step. Routes are chosen strategically, energy is used efficiently. Our sense of distance changes, regions connect, economies expand. Time compresses, the architecture of resource circulation. Waste becomes feedstock, recycling turns standard. Mining reaches space, asteroids become warehouses. Scarcity is managed, supply stabilizes, prices rationalized, industry endures. Earth is protected. Circulation is a system. Education is problem solving. Memorization is not the tool. Questions are the starting line. Experiments become classrooms. Failure is part of learning. Teams embrace diversity. Projects mirror reality. Assessment is the process. Curiosity is sustained. Talent varies by individual. Education builds capability. The density and focus of work. Time is not the resource. Focus creates outcomes. Priorities must be clear. Meetings are reduced. Decisions are made fast. Responsibility is not diluted. Feedback is immediate. Culture sets the bar. Results come from repetition. Focus becomes habit. An explosion is not the end. Causes are recorded. Hypotheses are revised. Teams learn the next attempt grows precise. Fear diminishes. Trust accumulates. Success becomes statistical. Persistence wins. Resilience is an asset. This is the ethics of human expansion. Technology acts its purpose. Human dignity is the standard. Safety is never compromised. Access must widen. Accountability must be clear. Benefits are shared. Risks are disclosed. Surveillance is minimized. Autonomy is respected. Expansion proceeds carefully. future does not arrive at one small improvement. Accumulate principles light the way. Speed follows direction. Teams realize dream systems evolve. Boundaries move. Annihilation, geek experiment. Experiment becomes industry. The song goes on. Elon's vision, a declaration of humanity's future.